Best offer and manicure and pedicure only for 4BD. Assalamu alaikum Bahrain. Hope you all are fine. So today I'm in Ayansha Ladies Salon and Spa, which is located in East Rifa behind Lulu. So let's check out their offers. Manicure with polish only for 2BD. Special offer on blow dry only for 2BD. Roots color only for 3BD. Get any haircut only for 3BD. Blow dry wavy only for 4BD. Full hands and full legs waxing only for 4BD. Make your skin shine and glow by trying their facial starting from 3BD only and Hydra facial only for 10BD. If you want to relax your body, then do try their body massage only for 8BD. Hair protein for any length only for 20BD. Hair color only for 10BD, and if you want to do highlights, it's only for 20BD. If you want to take 10BD service, then you will get 2BD voucher. And if you take 15BD service, you will get 3BD voucher and 20BD service 4BD voucher. So what are you waiting for? Do visit Ayansha Lady Salon. Thank you so much for watching.